This is a short video with step-by-step guidance on how to use your Acne-Stop Kit for severe breakouts. Please start from cleanser and toner. Please remember to shake your toner. After the toner, you have this product, Silk Touch Acne-Stop Treatment. First 3 days when you're starting this kit, please use only Silk Touch Acne-Stop Treatment at night. Please apply it all over your face and just massage it into your skin. If after 3 nights you start to see improvement and your breakouts start to get a little dry, a little less red, a little less visible, then treatment already worked, and now we can start to alternate these treatments with 2 other active ingredients. But if you see that you have some improvement but you would like a little bit more, then use additional 2 days with Acne-Stop treatment. Just apply it all over your face overnight and sleep with that. Some people in 3 days, they will be already like, wow, my skin looks so much better. So that's a time to start to incorporate. If not, wait and use it for a little bit more. And then when you see that improvement starts, then let's start to use our AHA Skin Perfecting and our vitamin A. We will divide your routine in 3 different regimens for 3 nights and we will alternate. This is a derma roller. Derma roller we want to do on a night when we're doing AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. So it will be cleanser, toner, then you would roll your skin. Skin need to be clean without any serums, without any active ingredients. We have a video underneath how to use a derma roller. So please roll your skin between 3 to 5 minutes and then take AHA serum, put directly on your skin, 4 or 5 drops, massage it into your skin and put a little bit even underneath your eyes. It will help to eliminate these little fine lines and wrinkles. And then if you still have couple inflamed breakouts, take a little bit Silk Touch and put topically on top and go to sleep. On second night, we're going to use vitamin A. It's the same routine. You don't need a derma roller. So cleanser, toner, then vitamin A all over your face. And then wait 10-15 minutes, let vitamin A work. And then again, if you have anything inflamed or a little bigger breakout than the rest, take Silk Touch and put topically some sulfur treatment on top and go to sleep. And then third night, we want to do just Silk Touch, same way like we did from the very beginning. So cleanser, toner, Silk Touch and just go to sleep. And then next day, we again start from the beginning and we do derma roller, AHA, and then next night vitamin A, and then next night Silk Touch. Remember to apply eye cream. Eye cream we need every night. After your serums, your active ingredients sit on your skin for 10-15 minutes and they start work full power. Then you want to take a little bit of eye cream, tap, 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 tap underneath your eye. You can also tap a little bit on top of your eye. And please go to sleep. If your skin become very, very dry, let's incorporate the 4th night where you will give your skin hydration only. So 4th night will be cleanser, toner, eye cream and super berry cream. That's all. And then again, on top of super berry cream, you can put a little bit of Silk Touch treatment just topically on top of the biggest breakouts. Please let us know if you have any questions. We open every day from 8 in the morning till 8 p.m. We are here for you. We will be happy to offer you a complimentary consultation or to answer any questions. Thank you so much.